जय हिंद, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजामा, वणक्कम and adab.
As you might have noticed, we started with Jai Hind, the pride of India, which has great significance in our HAP International School.
Victory of Hindustan, Jai Hind is our way of greeting. Among all other Indians, we feel that we have equality in all of us.
Jai Hind was initially used in 1907 to raise the Josh in youth, as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose also used it, and since it is the slogan of freedom fighters and we still follow that ideology.
जय हिंद जय हिंद
Soon, this slogan became the official slogan of India and all the freedom fighters. And we follow their ideology. We believe that all the Indians and greeting with this manner helps us in bonding together very betterly.
With this illuminous start, let's move on to see the backbones of our HAP International School. Our Honorable Habib Sir,
Prestigious and empowering Annapurna ma'am,
esteemed Pramod Sir,
our gratitude will forever thank our supporting backbone of school.
the purpose of our life is to be happy. Yes, and happiness can be represented by HAP International.
We believe that what most schools stimulate certain types of intelligence into our kids and ignoring other types. If we believe that kids are not good at maths or any other language, they might still be gifted at other things, but it was not called intelligence. That is why it is said so. Why Howard Gardner believes that intelligence makes a student very unique from other. That's what HAP International believes. We believe that all the students are unique in their own way.
If we talk about the glorious infrastructure, then we have the most innovative of the buildings. In our buildings, we teach something on every step. That's why the stairs have famous quotes written on them.
Do you know that the pre-primary railway section is named after different famous railways all over the world? The canteen is the most fascinating part, where it is made of the actual 3D burger on the top of it. And the most amazing part is that the admin building, the multi-purpose hall, the library, computer lab, even the C building has some inspirational quotes and something to learn all over it. Children learn to be amiable with animals as we help them for horse riding and other familiar paths where we should respect our environment and teach them to plant more and more trees. Now you know that we love to play on the ground and enjoy all the activities happening here. Just look around. Now you know that why we love to play on the ground so much and we enjoy all the activities happening here.
The many of the activities include sports like badminton, table tennis, football, cricket, hockey, and many more. And these sports teach us all the morals we learn.
So, the sparkling morals include care for homeless children, being careful and responsible for all the environmental consciousness, first aid, plantation of all type of plants, more focused on nutrition, promoting the valued education and promotion of skill-based education is our main priority. Our teachers are very well qualified and intelligent in their expertise of every subject. Do you know that all our students have achieved Guinness Book of World Record? Do you know that?
No, I certainly do not.
Let's see on the next ground. So this is a good place to talk about our blooming achievements. I was talking about the Guinness Book of World Record, which is made by Bharat Sonone of 13-year-old boy of HAP International School. He did a cycle ride of 1255 kilometers. Can you believe that? And he became a legendary record holder for that.
Students of HAP International Schools have also achieved many medals in Olympiads, such as 2019 IT Olympiad.
Also, we have got a golden opportunity to visit Commissioner of Police Academy.
And with that, we are out of the million words that we had for our HAP International School. No words can ever express the dignity of our HAP International School.
Stay curious, keep learning, keep growing, and always strive to be more interested than interesting. With that said, keep shining with HAP International School. Thank you so much everyone for being a patient and kind listeners. Thank you.